course, today we'll be looking at our synthetic market for today. I think today is on the 26th of November 2025. So we're looking at synthetic indices. We've been analyzing yesterday's trade and at the same time going to today. So on this yesterday, we have been taking a trade on VIX75 1 seconds. So that was because we waited for a break above this, then we go long on this. But then the break didn't really give us something tangible for us to trade. You can see that it was moving up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. When it actually got here, then this happened. It got close, so I felt like not possible. It was around there, I started seeing not to, but then around there, I think I was still asleep, so I didn't really take this trade. But then if you took it, congratulations. And I think this trade is likely to move out to the next zone, which is our next target. We're supposed to be around here at least for the TP1. But then let's check out to this analysis. So I'll be deleting up these right now. Or don't let me delete it. Let me have deleted already. Let me just move this. So these are currently low. It becomes a recent low, and of course, then be looking at this as a recent high. And then let's now look what's like happening inside. Remember, if you break above this, we think of buying. Break below this, we think of selling it. But then let's see internal break of structure for the days, for the internal, for the what's it called, for the zone. Currently, this is the zone right here, and of course, we are having a break of structure already. You can see that break of structure around here. Now what am I doing? I see this as a fake breakout. So it tested there, a fake breakout, a test, and of course it's still going bullish. So then if you want to trade, you can actually wait for maybe if this candle should close fully bullish, maybe this is a 1 time frame, fully bullish above this zone right here, maybe around here, then think of going long and put your stop loss below this, not below this rejection, below this next low right here. So if this closes, what's time? Is 7:40. It's actually just starting, so that means this is going to close around I think 8 o'clock. So if by 8 o'clock check, if this actually close fully bullish, they can think of going long on this and stop loss, and of course this should be your TP1. But for me, what I'll be actually waiting for is a break above this, a test of that zone, then I think of going long down to this zone right here. So I'm thinking of going long to this zone. This is going to be my TP1, of course. If it breaks, then think of this. But the main eye is actually this zone right here. So this is my main point here. This zone is actually my main point. A break this actually tells me that this is going to be my next target. So for now, I'll be waiting for a break above this. But if you want to take inside the cycle, you can just wait for the bullish candle to close. It's already actually closing, but it's actually good moving, not a closing. Remember, it's 8 o'clock going to close. It's just 7:58. So you're going to be waiting for a fully closed bullish candle. Then you can think of going long, and your stop loss below this is which is going to fall below this green line around here, and then this can be your target for that. So on VIX75, it's actually moving our range to do some weeks ago. So you can see we've done have it 3 years. So we are still waiting for a break below this. They will test, they think of going short. A break above this, they will test, not going long. But for now, they just wait because this has been moving in this zone for like going to 2 weeks right now. That's been moving in this zone right here. So we just have to wait for it. Crash 500, and please let me just say that in case you don't know the broker that actually makes this available, this is actually called Synthetic, and the broker that makes this available is called Deriv. This is available on Saturdays, on weekends, on public holidays. This is available 247. No fundamental, nothing, all just to trade it. And please, in case you don't have an account today, you want to have an account to enable you to trade even on Saturdays, on weekend, or public holidays, having a trade without any form of fundamental. You can just check my description. I will drop a link to this broker, of which you can actually open an account with, and of course, believe me, they're one of the best brokers. I've been using them since I think 2016. So since then till now, this is 2020. I was 2018 there, but I know it's over like 10 years right now. This 10 years or less is 7 years. I've been using that. I don't think I would have anything to regret. So please, you can actually open an account. Believe me, you definitely not regret it. So that's it. Let's see today's analysis. So today's analysis, this was the zone we actually did yesterday. Recent as our recent was recent low, and of course, this becomes our recent high right now. This becomes our recent high. So this becomes our recent high. So for us to wait for a break below this, tells us the market likely to move bearish down to this zone, or a break above this, bullish down to this zone. But then let's see what happened in between. In between, we have a break of structures. So this is a recent high. the market is likely to respect. So a break above this, a retest of this zone, then think of going long on this. Now, why am I doing that? Because this is a recent high that actually led to this final one. Or then can still think of targeting this zone right here, which is going to be of a better choice. So that means if this get broken, they wait for the, if this get broken to the target here. So if this get broken, your next target is this. If this get broken, your next target is this. So that's what I'll be looking at. I think I'll be trading this. If that happens, I'll be dropping alerts on this. If that happens, I'll be dropping alerts to let you know that this has happened so you can think of going long or short on any other way that happens. So that be on the alerts. Now let's go to the boom 500. Now boom 500 we didn't take any trade yesterday. Why? Because we said that if we break above this, then a retest of that, they will go long, or then a break below this, a retest, and then we go short. But unfortunately, that didn't happen throughout the day yesterday. So when it got to that was, I think I was already in the midnight and I was already asleep, so I didn't really take this trade. So I didn't take this trade yesterday. But then let's see market our recents. So we are deleting these right now. Then moving this to our recents. This becomes the recent right now, and it becomes also the most recent. Let's mark this respecting all this zone. So this becomes the most recent right now. Now let's now go to our end time frame. Now what are we expecting? We are expecting a break above this, a retest of this zone. Then we target this next one right here. A break above that, a retest of that, we target this right here. So that's how we continue moving. So currently we are waiting for a break above this, a retest, and think of targeting here. A break above this, a retest, think of targeting here. Or a break below this, a retest, you think of going short. Let me see to the next zone. So this is supposed to be the next zone, or better still, you can target your minimum of 1 to 2. So this is the next zone. This is the most recent again that the market likely to respect. So a break below this, a retest then can give us to that level right there. So that's just how simple it is. Let's go to the next. We go to the boom 1000. This actually gave a lot of profit yesterday. Now yesterday we actually dropped an alert on this. Of we said we are going to short if this get broken, retest this, then we're going to short down here. And of course I dropped the alert after this injection. I think it was when this red candle was for me, I dropped the alert on this that I'm going short. My stop loss was there, and this was my target, and of course got to my target, and that was, it didn't even get my target. I just woke up and saw, I think this was the one that actually got my target, because my target was really around this closer here. I don't know why it really didn't happen, or maybe it was somewhere around here. So I just woke up and know that I was going to my target with this movement right now. So what do we do here? The same thing is still valid. To just look at the dynamic of structures, this is zone, break above this is buy, break below this is on a pair. But then you can have a break of structure which is going to be something around, this is the recent structure now. So that means now a break above this, we think of this. A break above this, we think of this. A break above this, think of major bulls. A break below this, think of major bears. But then this is just internal. So this just, if I have a break force above this, you can just target here. A break above this, you can target here. Remember, I'll be dropping the alerts for any of them that actually happens. And please don't forget, for you to see the alerts, you have to make sure you subscribe, actually the bell icon. And if you're watching this on Facebook and TikTok, just hit the follow button and definitely they will let you know. Final one for today is going to be the crash 1000. I said yesterday we are not going to present trade. I didn't really do anything here. I didn't do anything here yesterday because there was no any good trade. But then let's see today if you're likely to actually see any movements. So we are still waiting for the gets here. Remember today it was somewhere around here. You just float somewhere around this. I was like, it's better I don't go short or you don't go long either. So just wait for a break for a test of maybe this zone right now. You can get a retail of this zone. That's why you can actually think of going short on this. So for now, still leave crash 1000. So as a summary, this I'm thinking, oh great, this is already happening. So that means you can see this already happening. So just 5 minutes more. So if this actually closes like they can just think of going long on this. And of course, yes, it's going to be of 5 targets, and then a break above that gives us further. I've explained that already. Then this, I think I'm having a break below, but then the candlestick are not really giving right now. So just wait for that. On this, I said a break above this, then retest gives us this, or a break below this give you a minor profit here, but a break above this, I think I have a long way to go around here. And of course, on boom 1000, boom 500, we said a break above this, a break above this, a break below this give us a long time bearish trend. And boom 1000, we said a break below this still gives us the bears in the market. Break above this give us a minor take profits here, a break minor, and a break above this a major bull in the market. And of course, I said crash, we just leave that. So that's going to be the end of analysis on the synthetic indices. Don't forget, you can drop a comment in the section, and if this analysis is actually useful, please do it to hit the bell icon, hit the like icon or the love icon depending on where you're watching this video from. Please, you can share this video with your friends and your colleagues that feel might need this information. That's it. Please, I wish you all a profitable day trade today. And of course, see you guys on the next one. Oh, bye for now.